Hi everybody, so this is my new channel and this is my second video, and I decided to do cooking and drawing. So I have characters which will be shown in more videos, and now we're going to be learning how to draw a dinosaur. It's going to be very simple, so we're going to start off with the head. Anyone can do this by any age or any sort, okay? So let's just do this. And then you're going to do a little bit of a hump for its back. Not too big and not too small. From the hump, you're going to go down and create a sort of tail. There we go. Now you're going to go from the head and you're going to create a muzzle. Then you're going to create the neck. And then when you're going to stop halfway, and you're going to add little paws. Like so. Then you're going to go down and you're going to stop again. And you're going to draw a line here to draw the leg. There we go. And just add that little. And then you're gonna go here, and then from here what you're gonna do is you're gonna connect it here. And this looks a bit weird, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna make the tail thicker, and you're gonna make this like that. Okay, so make this bigger. Now what you're gonna get is you're gonna get a black marker and you're gonna outline it. Okay, outline, and remember, don't outline this line but outline this other one. Well done. Going. There we go. And now for the muzzle. And there. Now you can draw a tiny face. Oh, scary. So, now that we have done that, we're going to move on to the rubbing out, okay? And you're going to get just a simple rubber. It doesn't really have to be extended or get it out, okay? So, yeah, a little rubber. And this is my friend, Cat. So, I'm going to just rub it. So, you have to wait until your marker is dry to rub everything out. So, rub. So then you don't see any more line markings. It's okay if you still see a little bit of line, but it counts if you don't take it. So, I am going to draw this little dinosaur a little bit red. So this isn't much of red, but it's coloring it in, and this is going to be an odd little dinosaur because he will have spots on his back, and I think that's a very cute and fun way to just add to it a bit. Okay, so you're going to continue colouring until you've coloured everything in. And don't be scared to go in the black, just make sure that it's all dry and it won't spread around. Okay, once you've done that, you're going to get either a colouring pencil or you're going to get out a lighter one of these. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to get the darker pencil. And I'm just going to colour. And then, don't worry, we won't leave it like this. We're going to colour it up to the tail. Okay, when you do that, then you're going to get this one. There you go. And then, you do get a white and make it mas sou eu quem pode dar o melhor pra você. Eu faria qualquer coisa pra te ter agora. Sorriso verdadeiro só daí quando te ver. Eu já não sei mais o que faço, já chegou a hora de eu ser feliz e juntos construirmos uma história. Por você eu percorro o mundo inteiro. Se for pra te fazer feliz, encaro os meus medos.
Não há
you know?
distância pra
So
quem
now you
tá
can even get
dentro
this
do
one.
peito. Seus defeitos não me importam. Aliás,
And
com
don't forget
tantas
your green.
qualidades nem daria pra ver.
Really nice.
Para
now I'm
amor
putting
não há
pieces.
fronteira.
I
Te
think
amar é um
I'm doing this
privilégio.
one.
Sério, não dá pra esquecer alguém que já faz parte do meu ser. Não dá.
There we go.